Dear children, welcome to all of you in English class. Hope that all of you are well at your home. Dear children, today we will solve the comprehensions of the poem, that is The Reveal, which is written at the end of chapter 2, that is A Gift of Chapels, of your book Honeycomb. Dear children, as you know that these days we are doing textbook comprehensions in grammar. Today we will doing the comprehension of the poem, that is The Reveal. Dear children, there are 3 comprehension stanzas which is important in this poem. Let's read one by one. We read these lines and understand also. Thereafter we will answer the questions that follow. Let's start. When everybody has short hair, the reveal lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the reveal cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the reveal doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the reveal creates a disturbance. Dear children, let's understand these lines. Dear children, in this the poet says that when the reveal encounters a group of people with short hair, he would allow his hair to grow long because he derives the pleasure and satisfaction by going against the grain. However, he is not constant, and therefore when he sees the people growing their hair long, he would end up cutting his short. Dear children, seeing everybody talk during the lesson, the reveal suddenly finds his silence most valuable. However, because he is a reveal, he cannot help but create disturbance and makes a series of interjections. When he sees that everybody else has become quiet, the reveal constantly seeks attention by doing that what others do not do. प्यारे बच्चों, कवि कहते हैं जब विरोधी यानी रिवील एक ऐसे समूह को देखता है जिसमें लोगों के बाल छोटे छोटे हैं तो वह अपने बालों को लंबा रखता है, क्योंकि उसे सामान्यतः तौर तरीकों से विपरीत काम करने में असीम आनंद का अनुभव होता है। पर वह इस पर स्थिर नहीं रहता, क्योंकि जब वह लंबे बालों को देखता है तो अपने बालों को छोटा करवा लेता है। इसी प्रकार बातचीत करते देखकर विरोधी को अपने शांत रहने की अहमियत समझ में आती है, पर विरोधी स्वभाव का होने की वजह से जब दूसरों को शांत देखता है तो खुद ही कोई ना कोई शोर मचाएगा और व्यवधान पैदा करने का प्रयास करेगा। विरोधी हर चीज विपरीत करके दूसरों का ध्यान अपनी ओर लाना चाहता है। नाउ डियर चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स डू द क्वेश्चंस। The first question of this comprehension stanza is, what a reveal does? The answer of this question is, a reveal does the opposite of what all others do. Now second question, when does reveal keep silent? The answer of this question is, the reveal keeps silent when everybody talks in the class. Now third question, when everybody has short hair, what does the reveal do? The answer of this question, he would allow his hair to grow long. Now, last question of this comprehension stanza is, when does he create a disturbance? The answer of this question is, he creates a disturbance when everybody keeps silent during the lesson. Now, I hope that you understand this comprehension stanzas with question and answer. Let's go to stanza second. The stanza second is, when everybody is praising the sun, the reveal remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the reveal regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the reveal stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the reveal goes to the meeting. Dear children, let's understand these lines first. Even with respect to the weather, it is difficult to bring the reveal on board, for he would miss the rains while others would be enjoying the sun, and all others would appreciate the rain while he feel sad about the absence of the sun. Similarly, we are people who are usually all alone, for they prefer to trend on a different path than others. So, when others go for meeting, they stay at home and read a book. When the others stay at home, he go to the meeting. प्यारे बच्चों, जब सब लोग सूर्य की प्रशंसा करते हैं तो वह बारिश की जरूरत के बारे में ध्यान दिलाता है। इसके विपरीत जब लोग बारिश का स्वागत करते हैं तो वह सूर्य की अनुपस्थिति पर पछतावा करता है। अतः मौसम के संबंध में भी विरोधी का स्वभाव अलग है। इसी प्रकार विरोधी वे लोग होते हैं जो सामान्यतः अकेले होते हैं, क्योंकि वे हमेशा अलग रास्ते पर चलते हैं। जब दूसरे किसी बैठक में जाने को होते हैं तो वह घर पर रहकर किताब पढ़ना पसंद करता है। जब दूसरे घर पर रहना चाहते हैं तो वह बैठक में जाना पसंद करता है। So dear children, I hope you understand these lines. Let's solve the questions of this comprehension stanza. The first question is, what does the reveal do when everybody goes to the meeting? Answer of this question is, when everybody goes to the meeting, the reveal stays at home and reads a book. Now second question, when reveal decides his action. The answer of this question is, he decides his action when he knows what others are doing. Now third question, when does reveal express the need for rain? The answer of this question is, the reveal expresses the need for rain when everybody else admires the sun. Now fourth question, when does the reveal regret the absence of the sun? The answer of this question is, the reveal regrets the absence of the sun when people welcome the rain. Now, fifth question, when does the reveal go to the meeting? The answer of this question is, the reveal attends a meeting when most other people stay at home. So dear children, I hope that you understand this stanza 2 also. Now, let's go to the stanza 3. Let's read the lines first. When everybody says, yes please, the reveal says, no thank you. When everybody says, no thank you, the reveal says, yes please. It is very good that we have reveals. You may not find it very good to be one. Written by DJ and Wright. So dear children, first we understand these lines. When everybody is saying yes, then reveal says no. This is another character trait of the reveal. It seems that having reveal around us is beneficial, as they train us to acknowledge differences. However, it is not good to be revealed because they are not accepted by the society. प्यारे बच्चों, किसी विरोधी को दूसरे लोगों के साथ सहमत कराना कितना मुश्किल काम होता है। विरोधी का एक और स्वभाव है ना कहना, जब दूसरे हाँ कह रहे हैं, जबकि जब दूसरे ना कह रहे हों तो विरोधी हाँ कहता है। ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे आसपास विरोधी का होना लाभदायक है, क्योंकि वह हमें अंतरों के बारे में प्रशिक्षित करता है। परंतु दूसरी ओर एक विरोधी का होना अच्छा भी नहीं है, क्योंकि समाज ने इसे स्वीकार नहीं किया है। So, dear children, let's go to the questions. The first question is, which things does a reveal accept? The answer of this question is, a reveal accepts those things which others refuse. Another question is, why is it good to have reveals? It seems that having reveals around us is beneficial, as they train us to acknowledge differences. Now, Third question is name the poem and poet. The answer of this question is the name of poem is The Reveal and it is composed by DJ Enright. Now, fourth question. Fourth question is why is it not good to be a reveal? The answer of this question is it is not good to be a reveal because they are not accepted by the society. Dear children, these are all about the comprehensions of this poem. I hope that you understand all these comprehensions with question and answers. Dear children, there is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet so that you can make more understanding about this comprehension of the poem that is The Reveal. Thank you. Be happy and safe.